Czech-based auto manufacturer Skoda has announced a new service maintenance package to its customers in the Indian market. Called the SuperCare is being offered to new and existing customers depending on the model. The company changed the name of the packages from Service Maintenance Package to Skoda SuperCare. The new maintenance packages cover preventive maintenance as well as wear and tear repair work for a period of up to 4 years. According to the company, customers purchasing Skoda SuperCare will be safeguarded against spare part prices and labor charge inflation. It also guarantees authentic fitments with 2 years or unlimited kilometers part warranty with work done by certified Skoda technicians. Customers can claim for service across all authorized Skoda dealership facilities in India. The company is also offering multiple payment options as well as cashless services and transferability to a subsequent owner at the time of vehicle resale. Mr. Zach Hollis, brand director for Skoda Auto India, said, "In line with our customer-centric approach, the new extended warranty program now takes the peace of mind philosophy to the next level. Customers can now avail the attractive offer of the 5th and 6th year warranty coupled with convenient and value for money 2-year and 4-year Skoda SuperCare service and maintenance packages. The Skoda SuperCare service maintenance packages are available in 2 variants, the 2-year and the 4-year packages. The 4-year package starts from Rs 29,999 and can be bought by customers with vehicles that are within 1 year from the date of purchase. The 4-year package is available in 3 different schemes called Standard, Enhanced and Comprehensive depending on the model. These schemes vary mostly by the number of spare parts that are covered. The Standard package entails engine oil, an oil filter, a drain plug, a washer, an air pollen fuel filter, a spark plug, brake fluid, a V-belt, Haldex coupling oil, ATF, etc. as per the manufacturer maintenance schedule. The Enhanced package includes services from the Standard package plus additional parts such as front windshield wipers, front and rear brake pads and discs and more. The top spec Comprehensive package covers the battery, flywheel and clutch assembly, including the clutch plate, pressure plate and release bearing over and above the services under the Enhanced package. On the other hand, the 2-year package is only available in a single variant and starts at Rs 15,777. This particular package can be bought by customers whose Skoda vehicle is more than a year old from the date of purchase. Skoda is also offering a unique 100% manufacturer's extended warranty program at a starting price of Rs 30,975. The extended warranty is now offered for an additional period of the 5th and 6th year or 150,000 kilometers, whichever is earlier from the date of purchase. The segment first initiative ensures 6 years of a hassle-free ownership experience for Skoda owners. The extension in warranty can also be availed by existing customers whose Skoda Auto vehicle is under the 4-year warranty program. It can be availed only if the vehicle is purchased on or after September 1st, 2016 and driven below 97,000 kilometers. Much like the service maintenance packages, the extended warranty is also transferable to the succeeding owner. Skoda is offering enhanced service maintenance packages called the SuperCare and extended warranty periods. This will help customers with reduced running costs and ease of ownership, which the Skoda vehicles were missing earlier. The new SuperCare service packages cover service costs and a whole host of spare parts, making for easy maintenance. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.